Welcome again today. Today we are going to draw the umbrella. Okay? Alright. So what's the first letter of umbrella?
U.
Good. U for umbrella. High five. Good. Alright, so get your pencil. Let's draw the umbrella. Okay?
Just no pencil.
See your pencil?
You just have to get any pencil.
Alright.
Put your hand.
No, you have to use a pencil. So from the middle here, make a curve downwards like this. It has to be big. And then from this point, watch. From this point, make the curve again. Okay, then we have to curve it up. What? Have to do it this way, like this. Go up the umbrella. So I'll form the edge of the umbrella. Okay. Good. No, not you doing it downward. You're doing it downward. You have to curve it like if you were writing an N. Can you clean this one so that you go again? Clean this one. You're curving it downward. You have to curve it. You're curving it upward. You're making a U, or it's not a U. You need to make an N. Clean this one as well. It's okay. That one is fine. That's okay. All right. So continue like this. You got this one right. Go. Go up. Come down. Yeah, continue.
Come down.
Curve it again. Go from here now. You go again and curve. Yes, keep going like that. Another one. Yes, another one. Yes, good. 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 Keep going and then join it at that point. Alright, that's awesome. Then from the middle, this is the middle here, let's draw a line that will go up, two lines together. They should be near each other like this. Alright, then straight under here from here, as if this rod is coming down here, you draw another straight line down. Yes. Good. And another one close to 8. Next to 8. Don't make it too big. Good. And then cover here off. Close that place up. Wonderful. And draw another line again. 2 lines again coming down. And then curve it and curve the 2. And mix. And yes, curve it upward. Yes, and join them together. Good. Okay, so see what you're going to do now. You have to start from this place, this one that is low, and take it to this place. See, you're going to take it to this. All of them are going to that point. All of them going to that point. Good. Take all of them to that point, to the same point. All of them. Then start from here to that point. Every one of them to the same point. Alright, that's fine. Okay, this is wonderful. Wow, high five. Good girl. So let's color it. Which color are we going to use for? Yellow. Alright, so let's start with the yellow. Let's color the first one. Yellow. Good. Are you coloring now? That is coloring. this is so fun. Wow, high five, Sama. Good. This is a rainbow umbrella. With this, we are sure that rain is not going to wet us at all. Wow, this is so fun. Friends, I hope you're able to draw along with us. Okay? Alright, so please, now is the time to write the alphabet for umbrella. What's the first letter for umbrella?
U.
Good, you high five. U is for umbrella. So, can you write letter U here? Write it at the top here. Wow, this is so good. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Thank you so much for joining us in this video, and please do subscribe if you have not subscribed, and come back to always watch our videos. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.